Hello students, today we are going to start with next topic of business environment, that is impact of government policy changes on business and industry. You all are aware in the year 1991, Government of India adopt a policy of privatization, liberalization and globalization, and because of this policy, definitely it affects Indian business organization. So how it affect Indian economy, let's see on that. The very first point, increasing competition. So prior to 1991, it is a protected economy. Number of restrictions are there, but after 1991, with the liberalization and privatization, number of industries are coming in market, so competition increase. Now the business organization have to face more competition. So earlier hardly they are having any competition, and now even say for example telecommunication. So in the telecommunication, earlier only government unit is there, but now number of private telecommunication companies are there. Moving towards the next, more demanding customers because of increased competition in the market. Now, number of goods are available in market. Now the customers are more aware, so they are well informed. Because of the increasing competition, customers are getting a better choice or better quality of products at a most reasonable price. So customers are nowadays more demanding. Rapidly changing technological environment. So increased competition forces the firm to develop new ways to survive and grow in the market. If they want to survive in the organization, in the market, then they have to improve their technology. So new technologies make it possible to improve machines, process, product and service. The rapidly changing technological environment create tough challenge for smaller firms, because for the large unit it is very easy, the capital is not the problem for them, so they can easily change the things, but for a smaller firm it's a difficulty, it's a problem. Moving towards the next, impact for change, impact on business organization, necessity for change. In a regulated environment of pre 1991 era, the firm could have relatively stable policies and practices. But after 1991, the market forces have become turbulent, as a result of which the enterprise have to continuously modify their operations, because they have to change every now and then. The environment is changing. Because of this, as the Indian government has taken the decision to open our economy, so the frequent changes are there in economy, and that is the reason they have to change themselves. Moving toward the next, need for developing human resource. So to make a rapport with the technological environment, it is very important for business organization to have a skilled laborers, because skilled laborers or trained personnel can handle with latest technology. Market orientation, next point, earlier firm used to produce first and then go to market for sale, but nowadays now they have to firstly find out what exactly is the demand of customer, and then they produce accordingly. And the last point, what is the last impact on business sector, that is loss of budgetary support to the public sector. Now government is paying emphasis on privatization, so in the when they are preparing budget, the less amount is allocated to public sector. Government want that public sector should generate their own earning. They should not depend, public sector should not depend on government for their as a source of earning. So they have to raise their own, they have to generate their own resources. That's it, students, for the day. We have finished with impacts. Thank you.